Still on the crime scene, the family of the 14-year-old boy killed in a police shooting in Williamsfield, Manchester yesterday is demanding justice for their loved one. As Sandy Williams reports, his sister is insisting that the youngster was killed in cold blood.
The 14-year-old has been identified as Michael Simpson, a resident of Kendall District and a grade 8 student of Belfield High in the parish. According to reports, Michael and his older brother were traveling in a white Toyota Mark X motorcar towards Williamsfield when a police team attempted to intercept the vehicle. A high-speed chase and shootout reportedly ensued. The car crashed into a pickup before it came to a stop. Michael was found suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds and was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. His brother, who was injured, fled the scene. Their sister, Yannick Dixon, is questioning the police's report.
Based on what my brother said, it was riddled and it was full with blood. So it's not just the headshot that he got, right? And ain't no way, I don't understand. There were no bullet holes in the back to say that they were in a high chase, speed chase, as everybody is saying. Everything came from the front.
Miss Dixon insists her brothers, who are not strangers in the community, are innocent. In fact, she says at the time of the incident, they were coming from church.
After church, because it is Father's Day, I got the chance to, Malik called me and we spoke to everybody at home. And they are now finished, get them dinner, and they were heading back home. And just like that, then just kill my brother, so. Just like that, for nothing, no reason. And then now they're going to say that is a man and it was a shootout. My brothers were just coming from church.
It's understood the other brother who was shot in the face is battling for life in hospital.
Where it is, it's very sensitive, so they cannot operate just yet. They have to do something to get it to migrate so that they will be able to operate safely. But I need justice. Something has to be done. A proper investigation needs to be done. No shooting, they reported that it was shootout. What did my brothers have? What would my 14-year-old have? My brother, what would he have to do a shooting? I want them, I don't know. The person who did it, I would love if they could face my mother and explain.
Councillor for the Belfield Division, Mario Mitchell, is calling for a thorough investigation. When contacted, head of the Manchester Police, Deputy Superintendent Kerry Duncan, said he was still being briefed by his officers and was in the community at the time to speak with the teen's mother, after which he would be in a better position to comment. Indicom has since launched an investigation. Sandy Williams, TVJ News. A ban on